Hi, I'm Katsumi Murakami, also known as B-Boy Cat Watt. I've been breaking for like 13-14 years now. My style is a combination of my creative footwork and musicality combined together. I've been working on power moves and spins and things like that, but that's yet to come. So I've been taking Jamie to lots of training spots and workshop by an amazing b-boy called UT. From what I see, the difference between Japanese b-boys and British b-boys or Jamie is that British b-boys tend to have explosive styles with like spins, freezes and like flips and things like that, whereas lots of Japanese b-boys tend to stick to a footwork, details, pop rocking, musicalities and things like that. So both of them had big impact and influences to each other. And then I think, they both liked it, I liked it, it was perfect. Thank you so much for the opportunity. Looking at the theater shows here, I've learned that they use the space very efficiently. They maximize the space that they have, and they also have like moving floors or like elevator type of thing to make the theater almost like 3D, 4D type of thing, which was quite cool. And also we went to one theater that was quite small, probably like 5 meters wide and 3 meters deep, and then they managed to have like 5-6 people on at a time, and then that was amazing. So yeah, space use and space use was the one I was most amazed at.